Hi, I'm Marna, and this is day 2 of the Advent calendar that J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I set up. And I'll tell you again that we each sent one another 8 packages, which 8 times 3 is 24, which makes a really nice Advent calendar. I got cards. I do want to show you. I opened them yesterday to make sure that it was something I could share on video. This one's from Tammy. May your Christmas be filled with all that's wonderful. Early Christmas, Tammy. And I got one from J Dolls UK, and this one's going to tell you just how long ago we planned this. Hi Marna, I hope you and Darren are well. Please find and close the Advent gifts as promised. I really enjoyed the Meet Me in St. Louis footage on YouTube. Looks like you had a great time was had by all. Love and hugs, Jay. We planned this way back in early summer to make these. Well, actually, I think we started talking about it right after Christmas last year so that we could find and make little items to send one another. And this one is from Beth. Isn't that cute? They're all cute. I love them. Peter Rabbit-ish. To Marna and Darren, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the Advent goodies. Beth. So how nice is that? I got cards and gifts. Okay, I'm going to reach in and get one. This one would be from J Dolls UK. I know because we each have need some scissors. I want to cut the tape, not the, just so carefully. I have no idea what's in here, if it would ruin it or not. This is really cute paper. I like that for any day of the year, not just Christmas, not just Valentine. That's really nice. It's really nice paper. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, you know what? I'll bet a midi or a mini could wear that. Let's go get one. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, this is my mini-me who matches my mini-me, who's really kind of me, and that's actually her name. This one's Minnie. This one is mini-me. It's kind of what I looked like before. Isn't that adorable? Or you could use it on a full-size doll as a ponytail holder. Jay, that is adorable. I'm wondering if you made that. Can you leave it in the comments? Or if you bought that. I bet you bought that. I don't know though, you're so crafty. Really cute, thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please go to Jay, Tammy, and Beth's channel and see what they opened today with their Advent calendar. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.